Hello, Sajib. Assalamualaikum. Sajib, where are you? You can take me to the BBK. To BBK. I'm in Manama. You can take me for how many minutes only? I will try to arrange all my papers today, and tomorrow we'll go with with this one and the POA tomorrow. No, POA, Philippine Embassy. Yes, madam.
Yes, Mafi Jikachidi. Fine.
No, only this. You'll come? You are busy today? But after how many minutes you will be there? Now I'm ready. I will go there in the bank, same. I will finish my work. Good, you come first here and you come back to Adlia. After I finish, you can take me again. And I will go there also. I will tell to Sir Jamil to sign my paper. Because I want to finish all my work today. Because tomorrow is Ramadan. Huh? Yes, yes. Now I'm ready.